Dr. Rule, what it do? If you're watching this video, you know I got something to show you. Coming to you live from good old San Fernando Valley. I'm back, baby. Stay tuned. My damn stomach is killing me.
The hood is not attached.
Nah, it's all good, man. So we got going on up under here, man. First off, who you are and what we working on.
It's a 5.3,
Yep.
88 Trans Am.
Yep.
Off a 03 Silverado with an LS6 intake. And
All right.
I'm waiting on some headers.
Okay, cool deal. All right, so basically, he said he wanted me to come over here and just wire it up for him and see if we get a first fire up. He already did his, he did all the install himself. He got the fuel system here going, and he has his computer as well. So I just basically gonna try to wire it up like I did the Monte Carlo yesterday. That video is actually uploading right now, so hopefully you guys will see that one before you guys see this one. And let's see if we get this first fire up today, man.
This one's gonna shoot some flames on this side.
Oh yeah, it's cool. I see the exhaust manifold off.
Only this side has it on.
That's cool, man. So yeah, all this, we're gonna get rid of all this. I'm just giving y'all the before real quick so you guys can see. Like he said, these are coming off. He has some headers coming in, so these are coming off. And yeah, man, let's get cracking real quick.
When I messaged you, I was asking if you had that, it's called a bracket.
Which one?
It connects to it holds onto the transmission and the rear and the drive shaft, and it connects to the freaking rear end.
The cross member? Oh, you talking about the frame connectors?
I think it's.
No, I don't have no frame connectors, not for the F bodies.
No, I don't know. It's not a frame connector. Fuck, I know what I need to find it for you. I'll show it to you.
Yeah, if you show me a picture, I can tell you if I got it or not. Oh, you talking about the torque bar?
Yeah.
Yeah. From the I don't have that one.
Yeah, dude.
I know she's like, well, I was like, wait, what? So we got the hood off now. I can actually see what's going on up under him. He already ran his harness that's on there, whatever. He kind of already got it laid out. So what I'm going to do is actually basically clean a lot of this stuff up, whatever, and get rid of the stuff that he doesn't need. And y'all stick around for the after. I'm supposed to be over here doing this, but he doing this all good, you know what I mean?
Now we out here.
We about to get this work, man. I want to hear this thing start up. Well, I'm already tearing stuff off. So I'm trying to make it look better. We getting there, almost. Just pulling off a lot of stuff that's not needed. I'm about to get it done, man. It's gonna take some time, you feel me? Oh, damn. Hold on. Where your ass going? Your little ass going. Trying to get away from me. I'm daddy. You with me until your roll in, baby. That knocked the wind out of me. Your boy trying to lose some weight. So, I pretty much have everything here. All this crap right here. All that crap right there. I pretty got everything separated. He's not doing AC, so he's actually going to be removing this as well, and he's going to buy the plate. He went to the store to get some stuff like the transmission and all that other good jazz. So, I'm just showing you guys some on the way progress. I just broke my tripod. That simple, that quick, that easy. So I gotta send that mug back and get another one. Whoop-de-doo. So I'm gonna catch my breath real quick and get back on the car. It's a little hot today, just a little bit, but we out here doing what we need to get done. Finally got some power inside the car, so she was leaking fuel a little bit right there from there. Wasn't all the way tightened, but I think she's ready to start. No mass airflow is on, nor the O2 sensors, but we have mass airflow, but we don't have any elbows to connect it. Again, this is a 5.7. It's a 5.3 Lm7 4L60 transmission, 88 Trans Am T-top. And yeah, man, I'm just trying to see if I can help him get it started today. We got the relays clicking, we got everything going, so see what's up. As long as the VATS is deleted, we're good and ready to go. Whew, it's hot. My boy blessed me with an umbrella too, y'all see me? Ooh. Freaking flies, man, it's hot. He gave me a McDonald's Slurpee, my first time about to taste one of these, see what it tastes like. Ooh, tastes like straight sugar water.
Yeah.
This shit all right, bro. First start up. Oh, no, that should be good right now. So we're gonna attempt to try to start it. I want it to start and cut off because we're not sure if fuel got into the header, into the head. So we're gonna check and see and hope for the best. You ready? Don't got no spark. All right, so that was the first one, y'all. We're gonna try it one more again. No tell I did your keys.
Oh no. You're not on
Oh,
the
shit, they right here. Nah, I didn't know if your door is locked or not. You wouldn't take that chance.
Straight up.
Nah, oh, put that ground back on there.
The fuck?
The ground?
Straight
Yeah.
up.
There we go. I'm gonna try it again. Let's see. No, it's not all the way on. It's not a good connection. There we go. Ready? All right, let me add another ground on the block and we should be good.
My oils? Nah.
Nah, I think I put the key somewhere again, huh? Okay.
Just turn or turn on?
No, to turn the ignition on.
Okay.
All right, try to start it. And go for what you know. Stop. Relays click. Yeah, what the hell? Go one more time. Stop. Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. I was looking at the throttle body and noticed it was different. I was like, what the hell? And that's actually from an S10, but it looks just like whatever. You see the sensors are different. They look different on that one. So I'm hoping this solves our problem. So shit, man, let's see what's happening. Go ahead and try to start it, bro. Hold on real quick. Is that spark plug thing off? Is the wire on there? It sounds like one of the spark plugs is off.
No, it's not.
No?
No.
It's good?
They're all off.
They're off.
Yeah, all of them.
They need to be on.
Why they all off?
I was like, all right. I wish I had another computer, man. Fuck.
I think you can do that shit too.
Hey, I don't have my computer with me, y'all, so I can't check the fucking VATs. That was the homie back there calling me. So I was just about to leave right now, man. I was about to tap out on the car, man, and I kind of jumped. I had put what is it called? Basically, I had grounded this one wire that we thought we had all the way tightened. So we're gonna ground that one out completely, basically tighten it. I mean, it's hot out here. We're gonna tighten that one up all the way, and then we're gonna try to start it again because it sounded like it damn near wanted to cut on. So do that and then see what's cracking. It's almost that time. Y'all see all that wire loom right there? Look, you know when you feet like this, you whooped. Look at all that wire and stuff that came off. Hey, let me get my ass up. All this stuff came off. All this came off. So y'all what it was looking like underneath the hair now. Yeah. Maybe the little one, the little one or no?
Little boat.
Oh, it should, yeah. So this is how it looks now. Looks a little better than what it was. He has like some tester tape and stuff like that. So basically, I told him just to, excuse me, literally all this right here can get cut to about, excuse me, a quarter of this size. Cut it, run it down here, run it straight to the battery, to the alternator, back of the alternator. That make it look a little cleaner. These right here were the wires that had to be kept. Had to cut everything off. All this right here is going to get loomed.
We good.
Instead of windshield wipers, it's straight.
Yeah, we straight.
Cool, cool, cool. And he has a little odds and ends and stuff like that, but for the most part, did a great job, bro. His first LS swap, you know what I'm saying? He said he watched the video on the fuel system. He didn't have to ask me for no part numbers or none of that. and he got it done. He did his own fuel system. He did the install. He did everything. So he just said he was having little issues with the wiring, and I came through in San Fernando Valley.
He came in clutch.
You know what I'm talking about?
You know, it hit him up.
Yeah, man. Appreciate that. All right, so let's see if this shit gonna start now. That should be it, right?
Should be it.
Hell yeah, leave it on. Yeah. Hold on real quick. Let me move the fan wire. And he been waiting all this time. Was like, you want me to turn it off? Turn that shit on. I think we said it was like a year ago you started your swap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And now it's all about the payoff. Go ahead, big dog.
All right, here we go. Hit it again?
Yeah. All right, hold on real quick. Let the turn the ignition off.
I did.
Turn it on. Let the fuel cycle. All right, turn it off again. Papa, ¿qué pasó? Yeah. All right, and then turn the ignition on one more time. All right, now start it. The computer ain't got no VAS deleted, bro.
No?
Nah, hell nah. Cycle the fuel pump like 3 times. And let me put this back on here just to try it real quick and see. All right, now start it this time.
All right. Here we go.
Yep. The VAT's not deleted, bro. The VAT's not deleted. But your boy can come do it though, so shit.
Guy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what's up, man. So there it is, man. We tried my other computer, it was doing the same thing, so whatever, but my computer don't have no VATs. This computer's supposed to have the VATs deleted, but they're not deleted, but yeah, man. Congrats to your first LS swap, bro.
Hell yeah. You already know it.
Yeah, man. So now it's just literally just clean up some wiring and shit. That's pretty much it, man. Took this one off too. Took this what is this called?
S10.
S10 throttle body off. Man. All right, cool. Well, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. He has an iPhone as well, so as soon as his buddy come over today and delete the VATs off of it, I'm going to have him send me another video of it running and staying on, and then I'll attach it to this video. So thanks for watching. Check the description below for details on other videos that you can watch, and get your paper, cuz. Ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee. You know it.
When he started up, oh shoot. So when he started up, just wired up these, they should work. Oh yeah, let me see. Yeah, buddy. So his oil pressure and his temp are gonna work for sure. It's definitely the damn VATs that makes me happy. Yeah, bro. All the gauges working, man. Yeah. Except for the speedo not gonna work though.
No, that's
You're gonna have to get that little ohms thing or whatever to calibrate it.
your paper.
Oh, look at that.
Fresh money.
For sure, man. So yeah, y'all, that's it, man. Easy peasy. He did a good ass job on this. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
Alright, try one. Oh, motherfucker.
Yeah. Jesus, too.